Imagine 21 soldiers surrounded by 10,000 enemies, no hope of survival, yet not one step back, not one surrender. This is not a movie. This is the real story of the Battle of Saragarhi. And this is the story of one of the bravest regiments in the world, the Sikh Regiment of the Indian Army. From earning 14 Victoria Crosses to 2 Paramveer Chakras, from countless battlefield victories to unmatched sacrifice, today we deep dive into the legacy of warriors who lived by one belief. निश्चय कर अपनी जीत करूं. With determination, I will be triumphant. The Sikh Regiment was raised on 1st August 1846, making it one of the oldest infantry regiments in the Indian Army. Its headquarters stands proudly at Ramgarh Cantonment, Jharkhand. With 20 battalions, the regiment has fought in World War I, World War II, Indo-Pak Wars, and numerous modern operations. But what truly defines this regiment is not just history. It's spirit, a spirit fueled by faith, discipline, and a fearless war cry, Bole So Nihal, Sat Sri Akal. 12 September 1897, a small communication post called Saragarhi, defended by just 21 soldiers of the 36th Sikhs, led by Havaldar Ishar Singh, they faced an army of over 10,000 tribal invaders. What happened next became history. One by one, every soldier fought till his last breath. Even the youngest among them, Sepoy Gurmukh Singh, continued sending signals till the very end. No one survived, but no one surrendered. For this unimaginable bravery, all 21 soldiers were awarded the Indian Order of Merit posthumously, the highest gallantry award at that time. Their names still echo in history. Havaldar Ishar Singh, Nayak Lal Singh, Lance Nayak Chanda Singh, Sipai Sundar Singh, Sipai Ram Singh, Sipai Uttar Singh, Sipai Sahib Singh, Sipai Hira Singh, Sipai Daya Singh, Sipai Jeevan Singh, Sipai Bhola Singh, Sipai Narayan Singh, Sipai Gurmukh Singh, and many more brave souls. This battle is studied worldwide, even taught in military schools like a benchmark of courage. The Sikh Regiment is among the most decorated regiments in history. Let's look at its incredible achievements. 14 Victoria Crosses, highest British Gallantry Award. 21 Indian Order of Merits. 2 Paramveer Chakras, India's highest wartime gallantry award. 4 Ashok Chakras, 8 Mahavir Chakras, 64 Veer Chakras. And that's not all. 24 Kirti Chakras, 55 Shaurya Chakras, 375 Sena medals, 75 battle honors, and 38 theatre honors. These numbers are not just statistics. They represent real heroes, real sacrifices, and real stories of valor. Let's talk about some legendary warriors. Paramveer Chakra winner Lance Nayak Karam Singh displayed unmatched bravery during the Indo-Pak War, holding his position despite heavy enemy attack. Subedar Joginder Singh fought till his last bullet, injured, surrounded, yet never surrendered. Victoria Cross heroes Nayak Gyan Singh, Nayak Nand Singh. These soldiers displayed exceptional courage during World War battles. Mahavir Chakra heroes Major Ajit Singh, Brigadier Joginder Singh Bakshi, Lieutenant Colonel Devan Ranjit Rai, Lieutenant Colonel Indrabal Singh Bawa. Each one a story of bravery beyond imagination. Ashok Chakra awardees Subedar Surinder Singh, Havaldar Bachittar Singh, Havaldar Joginder Singh. These awards reflect courage not just in war but also in peacetime operations. Other notable figures were Lieutenant General Harbaksh Singh, a legendary military leader, also honored with Padma Bhushan and Padma Vibhushan. Subedar Kaur Singh, a boxing champion, awarded Padma Shri, showing excellence beyond the battlefield. What makes the Sikh regiment different? It's not just weapons, it's their belief system, their war cry, Bole So Nihal, Sat Sri Akal. This is not just a shout, it's a declaration of faith, courage and fearlessness. Their motto, Nishchay kar apni jeet karoon, meaning with determination I will achieve victory. This mindset is what turns soldiers into legends. Today, Sikh regiment continues to serve with pride from high altitude warfare to counter-terrorism operations. They remain at the forefront of India's defense. Their legacy is not just in the past, it's alive right now. 21 soldiers at Saragarhi, countless heroes across decades, they didn't fight for fame. They fought for honor. They didn't fear death. They embraced sacrifice. This is not just a regiment. This is a brotherhood of warriors, a legacy of courage, a symbol of India's pride,